everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the visitor sign in and out feature. To do this, you're going to click on the service menu and under configuration click on settings. You're then going to click on the iCheck-in tab. To enable the setting, click on enable visitor sign in and out. Tick and click save. Once this setting is enabled, it will then open up an additional setting, Visitor Sign In and Out Terms and Conditions, allowing a service to enter in their own terms and conditions for the visitor log. Switching back over to iCheck-in, for a visitor to sign in using the iCheck-in device, they can click on the visitor log icon and click Sign In. They will enter in their phone number, whether it's a mobile number or a landline, enter in their first name and their last name. And if they wish to enter in their email address or working with children check card number, they can do so. However, these fields are non-mandatory. They must then enter a reason in for their visit. I can then click Sign In. If the service has set up visitor terms and conditions, they must read these terms and conditions and then click Continue to move on. This will automatically sign the visitor in. For a visitor to sign out, they can simply click Sign Out and then click Sign Out on their applicable name. For returning visitors, when they enter in their mobile number, it will pre-populate any information that was entered last time linked to that phone number. Please note, this will only be applicable for mobile numbers only. If you enter in a landline, it will not surface any information that was previously entered in against that number. Switching back over to Kidsoft, and when you click on your reports menu and under other, you will find your visitor log report. When searching the date range required and clicking search, this will timestamp all visitors that have been signed in and out within that date range. For further information on the visitor log feature within iCheck-in, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft customer success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft.